improve your digestion as per Ayurveda. So I'm going to tell you a few eating etiquettes which are mentioned in Ayurveda. First is always eat only when you are hungry and eat in moderation. The heaviest meal in a day should be during your lunchtime because that's when the digestive fire or the Agni is at its maximum and you will digest better. When you eat, remember to fill only half the capacity of your stomach with solid food, 1/4 with liquid food, and the rest should be left empty for the air to conduct the digestion process effectively. Always have freshly cooked warm food, and if there are sweet dishes included in the diet, you should have it before your meals and not after the meals. Also ensure to avoid all the incompatible food combinations mentioned in Ayurveda. For example, mixing milk with fruits, milk with vegetables, milk with meat, and heating honey, etc., to name a few. Now I'm going to give you a few tips to improve your digestion. First is you can have half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. You can add a pinch of rock salt to it before your meals because this will increase the secretion of digestive juices and it will help digest better. After your meals, you can add 80 to 100 ml of buttermilk. You can add a pinch of ajwain or jeera or even rock salt to it. Sipping herbal tea, which is made up of dried ginger, is also a good idea, or you can keep sipping warm water throughout the day. And the dinner should be closed at least 2 to 3 hours before you sleep. As you all know, meditation and exercise are a great way to improve the body circulation and it will help improve your digestion process as well. Last but not the least, regular detoxification of the body is also essential to flush out all the accumulated metabolic waste and also to improve your metabolic process. Thank you.